Hi, with this video, I want to show you how to get data and metadata for a large marine ecosystem region. For this purpose, I want to recommend you to use Ocean Data Favor by United Nations Environmental Program. It has various spatial data set such as habitat, ecosystem, and species distribution around the world. And the most important things about this website is very user-friendly. To use it is actually pretty easy. You just need to click the selected data on the left column and they're gonna show you on the global map directly. And you can also combine with other data such as mangrove data, for example, also seagrass and other data like protected area. So they're gonna treat all your data as a layer. The latest data you click is gonna appear on the very top of your data. Now, if you want to see detailed information of your selected data, you just need to visit this site, view detail, dataset detail, just click it. And then they're gonna show you the description of your data. And also they're gonna give you an option to download the metadata. So they're gonna automatically download into your computer as a PDF format. So now if you want to download the data of, for example, here a coral reef data, there's like two ways. The first way is by download directly from the website, but it takes time because they need to validation your proposals. So I'm not recommended you to use this. So instead, let's use the ArcGIS way. In here, they're gonna direct you to the ArcGIS website. Just choose layer option in here and you're gonna find several ways to view your data. For example, they have Google Earth and also the ArcMap. So let's click the Google Earth and then just click OK. They can automatically show you the coral reef data on the Google format. And now if you want to digitize your own map using coral reef from the Ocean View Data View data, just click ArcMap and then they're gonna download the dot layer data. Just click OK and then you just go to your ArcGIS and apply it as an additional layer on your map. So I hope it's gonna be useful for your work in the future. And thank you for watching.